Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of Tata Nano. It is an official merchandise by Tata and it is the cheapest car of the world. If you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. There are 4 color options: yellow, green, purple, white. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel, and I have also announcing a giveaway at the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm also doing a giveaway of 2017 1x24 Ford Raptor and 1x18 Kyosho Volkswagen Beetle. The rules to participate in the giveaway are to subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon and comment on this video. So if you are not already subscribed to the channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature automobiles. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.